nothing to help. Watch me move one by one.
Cooking in the kitchen. Baby Bird, what are you doing? Pool! Baby Bird, oh no! Oh no, they got some more! No, Baby Bird, no! I saw how to make indoor pool on TikTok. TikTok? No, TikTok. Oh, well, why do you call it TikTok? No, Baby Bird. No, I said tick-sick. Tick-sick? Yum, yum. Baby Bird, now I have to get some paper towel to wipe this up. Or we could just splash in it. No, Baby Bird, here. Let's go over here and grab some paper towel. What were you trying to do? I was trying to make some food. I have a little bit of paper towel. Hopefully this cleans this up. This is like it's just like a pool. I don't think this might not work. So no indoor swimming pool? No, wait. Oh, look, it's just soaking it up. Hee hee. Baby Bird, I'm going to go and get some more paper towel, okay? Okay, Baby Bird. That okay. I finished cleaning that up. It's a bit slippery, but... Mommy, why is the floor all wet? It must have been a really silly person to dump water out. Come on, Baby Bird. I don't remember who dumped out the water. Well, I'm just going to make some cereal. I have some giant little bowls over here. Little giant bowls. So, Baby, don't jump in them, please. So I'm going to go over here. And I'm going, so Baby Bird's favorite. I want to play. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Go on, wait, Baby Bird. Wait. What can I do? You just play with your toys right there. Okay. I have a shovel. I have bowling ball. Okay. But first I'm going to get my cereal. Some cereal. Baby Bird, what are you doing? You don't do that, do you? I'm ready to put them into bowls. But, yeah. No, Baby Bird, we have to take the first. I have skis. I am speedy. So I'm putting the first cereal in. I'm going to count how many vegetables are here. Oh, no, I spilled some of the cereal. Here. Now let me get Baby Bird's cereal. And I'll get that cereal ready. Okay, let me just drink my cereal. What happened to the cereal? Baby Bird, I spilled this. I'm going to have to go and get the dustpan. Here's the dustpan. Here's the broom. Wasn't me. I'm just sweeping this up. Let me just sweep it up. Hey, Mommy. What happens when you throw balls into sinks? I don't know what happens. Maybe it won't fit. Baby Bird, stop. So I'm just sweeping it up. Let me just sweep it up and let's put it in the birdie trash can over here. So, fall away. So let me put it in here. Oh no, it's supposed to... Ah! This one stuck to it! Oh no! You silly. Yeah, I'll put the garbage. Ooh, what's in here? Okay, Baby Bird. That was not very funny, was it? No, it was hilarious. Mommy, finish what you're cooking in the oven. I'm going. What were you cooking, Bo? I don't know where I am. Oh, what? Why is there roller skate in the oven? That's not... Roller skate soup. No, that doesn't belong there. Yes, it does. It does not belong there at all. You can open this and reveal all the secrets. No, you're not going to be able to... You're not doing that. Well, there's chemicals under here. Baby, don't eat the chemicals. I never said I was going to. Your voice is forever. Now, oh, look how sweet. What am I doing? What should I do? I'm bored. Play with your toys. You have... Where did this monkey come from? I don't remember buying this for you. Where's the ball? Wait, did you go to the mall? Wait, no. I used your credit card. Why did I give you a bowling ball? That's so heavy. Why would I give you one? I'm so strong. I can lift anything. No, but Hey, Mommy, you want to see a magic trick? Abracadabra! Wow, no, Baby Bird! I told you I was strong. The table. I told you I was very strong. You have to fix the table. It's like the meat can fall off. Okay. I can eat my cookies. Baby Bird, we have to set up the table. Here, let's put the chair. Where's my drink? I'm thirsty. Where's my drink? I'll get... Well, here. There's some right here. There should be some right there. Okay. Here, sit at the table. Sit at the table. And now...
I don't need a bib. When have I ever made a mess?
Oh, look, the fish fell off. Why is there a bib? This is for you, baby bird. Wear it.
No, I don't need a bib. When have I ever made a mess?
You just made a mess. You just dumped everything out of the table. What are you thinking? Just a second ago, you literally just knocked everything off of the table. And look, there's still some apples here. Baby bird, your bib fell off. I think we can just go to the store soon and buy you a new bibby. It keeps on falling off.
I'm not a baby.
I did not call you a baby. I called you a bibby.
Well, if you need a bib, doesn't that make you baby?
Bird, I don't think I ever remember you buying this toy, so Big Bird, I don't even remember buying you this toy. I think I'm just gonna throw it in the trash. No, it could have on it.
Grandma Bird bought it for me.
Grandma Bird, I gotta get that out right now. I'm sorry. Here, let's rinse it off in the sink. Why is there a cupcake in the sink? That's not good.
Muffins.
Same thing, potato. Oh, remember our Roblox video? We said potato.
Oh, Mommy, they're here.
Grandma? Wait, who? Who's human? I don't remember inviting you. Who are you, little chubby hamster?
So, remember that time when you were at the food truck and you told you were really rich?
I remember you.
Yeah, we're still very rich. So come on in. My mommy's making some poop and some poop.
Where did all these toys come from?
So, where's the gold plates?
The gold plates?
Well, I thought you were really rich.
We don't have gold plates.
Yeah, I thought your daughter said on the messenger because she's on Tinder.
On Tinder? What's Tinder?
The online dating app where you swipe left with strangers?
We never did that.
Well, your daughter did, and she said they were giving away 3 iPhones. So, I know what this is. It's a scavenger hunt. Yeah, it is. Okay, everyone else outside. There's about 50 people outside, and they're all waiting. So, but yeah, there's about 50 people outside. Okay, everyone, it's a scavenger hunt. Look all through the house, even in the toilet. And remember,
no! Oh, baby bird, why are you smearing it?
on my feet. And remember, if you don't find the iPhones, keep looking.
No! Put that back there.
I'm hungry. Where's my dinner?
It's not dinner
I want to play with you.
Well,
Are you still cooking?
Well, I'll make early dinner. Let me get some steak out. Let's get some steak. Let's get some steak for dinner. Ooh. Let's do pie for dessert. And
I already having my dinner.
Baby bird. Baby bird, did you just knock the ice cream down?
Oh well, guess I could finish it.
So I have
Hey, Mommy, this doesn't taste very good at the bottom here.
Oh, you're not supposed to eat that, baby bird. Put that away. Actually, throw it in the trash.
My cheese crackers are back here. Whee!
So I'm just gonna put the steak in the oven because it belongs there. No, don't make it that hot. It's going to catch on fire. Oh my gosh, it's moving. Oh no, the apples. Why are the apples cooking?
Mommy, is this mine?
You have 2 sets of... Oh no! That is yours. So what do you expect? Just go in your room and eat it.
Mommy, these pots have faces on them.
Ew, why did those
That's been in your purse since the food truck. I stole it from some guy.
Ew, it's rotted out. Ew. What? It's rotted out. Is that the guy that you were talking to that you said,
Mommy,
guy that you were talking to that you said, what's your favorite color? And am I drunk?
Mommy, these pots have faces on them.
Nobody cares.
What do I
Let's
want?
just put this in the trash.
Here, I'm just going to take this. Healthy sandwiches? Nah, I'll take this.
No, you're not getting ice cream from this freezer. Baby, I'm making some supper.
I can have all the ice cream. I don't have any toys.
Baby, you do have toys. You have like 10 toys. More than that.
I'm ready for homework.
This is a new taco. I'm probably going to have a taco. So
Hide in the fridge.
and we have to clean off the fish.
Hide in the
It's
fridge,
raw.
Mommy.
I just went fishing yesterday and I got this one. Oh, the fish is roasting on the stove. Nobody knows. It's dancing and cooking in the wind. Oh no! I dropped the fish. Now I can't eat it. Well, we can just rinse it off. So I mean,
I wonder how I should clean the floor.
you go. Wow! The banana peel! Hey, bird, what's that? Oh! No! Don't! Ow! My birdie feather hurts!
I'm gonna cut my hair.
No, baby bird, you're not a surgeon. Wait, I mean, you're not a hair cutter. You don't know how to cut hair.
A hairdresser?
You don't want to turn out like that girl in MS Try Not to Laugh challenge. The girl that cut her bangs off and then it didn't look good.
That got 1 million views?
No, watch it. You'll get ideas. Now, come on, look. How about let's set up a little scene. Come on. Look at this monkey can play. And why do you have a shovel with no sand bucket? It makes no sense. Oh, look, it's a food basket.
That's real food, Mommy.
What? No, baby.
Mommy, there's mold in the fridge.
Mold? What hasn't been in there? Where even is our fridge? Ew.
Mommy,
Why is there mushrooms with faces? That's gross.
Mommy, the fridge was over here.
Oh no, why is the fridge all green?
I'm gonna eat this. Don't like it.
Baby bird, you have to eat it since you touched it and you kind of gobbled it. So let's go.
This is where we started to lose it, right, Mommy?
Yeah. Well, look, I'm just.
Hey, which one of you guys is Mommy Bird?
Where's
The woman over there.
I'm not a woman, I'm a ma'am.
Is that your real name, Mommy Bird?
Yes.
Anyway, we all 50 of us found your diary. Who's Officer Derek?
He's.
Oh yeah, we looked through all your personal drawers. I'm glad you have a free stack of poop catchers, but wow.
What? What are you talking about?
And also, we looked through your wallet, and I'm pretty sure you don't have any money anymore. I'm pretty sure we took all your money. Because we're still trying to find those iPhones.
What iPhones? Hey, Bird, I didn't think I'll have to do this. Oh, no! I didn't mean to tip it over.
What can I eat? Oh, of course.
Well, at least
Okay,
the taco
Mommy.
came out, so we'll put the taco on the plate. Steak on, and then the pie.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Can I hold it back in?
Quiet, baby bird! As if the neighbors can hear that.
And everyone in your house. Do you mind if I just cough on your food real quick?
Ew! Ew! You have to make a new one. I have extra steak in the fridge, so let's put that in the trashy pack.
That's my
Put that in
favorite
there.
toys.
It's in there.
Ooh, what's this?
Baby bird, that's the
Can I help you? Here, I can put this. I'll cut this for you. I can chop it up for you with my
I
feet.
got some new steak. No! That's gonna be crumbs. Oh no. Baby bird, look what you did. You made quite a bit. Baby bird, look what you did. You made a mess crushing up the cookies. What are you doing?
Your daughter invited me. Online. She
Online?
sent me your address and your phone number and your bank password.
What? What just happened?
Yeah, nice man.
No, he isn't. Oh no.
Mommy, you making a mess.
No, I'm not.
Who made this mess?
It was you. Who's
Anyway, I'm hungry, Mommy. I want my
I'm putting some
food.
fish on this plate, and I'll put a different fish. Yeah, no, baby, you're eating the steak. You're eating my food. Baby, you're the one eating the steak.
I don't want the steak.
Beaver, you already had a taco last time at the food truck. Now, give me the taco.
That's only because I stole.
The taco.
That's only because I stole everyone else's food.
Gosh, baby bird.
Did I ever tell you about the time we rode in the trunk?
What? You rode in the trunk? Oh no, this never happened. Beaver, you rode in the trunk?
That was only 10 times.
10 times? What? This is illegal, I think.
Hey, we were looking through your sock drawer and we found all these personal notes.
Personal notes? What personal notes?
Everything?
Ooh. My notes? No. This is not acceptable.
Hey, is this food free? Hey, is this food free for the search party for the iPhones.
Free? What's free? I know what free is, but it's like, no, that's not free. And by the way, Baby Bird also tried to eat this, and so you don't want that.
I'm not sick though.
It doesn't
Everyone
matter
in
if
here
you're
for
sick or not.
musical chairs!
No! Let's not do musical chairs!
Ooh, I'm gonna look in her underwear drawer next.
No! What?
My monkey symbol wants to play. I want my food. I want it. We want to know when dinner's ready. Boom, boom. Wreck the place. Go monkeys!
Baby Bird, what are you doing, Baby Bird? That's not fun at all.
Well, I am the coolest bird.
No, Baby Bird, you're not the coolest bird.
The stove is burning.
No, Baby Bird, that's not fun at all. Your ball landed all the way over here. Baby Bird, what are you doing, Baby Bird? I don't know.
I'm taking a nap on the stove.
Baby Bird?
I'm taking a nap on the stove, Mommy.
Baby Bird, no! It's on. That's bad. Oh. Baby Bird, put that away. Where did you get that? I'm just trying to follow a cookie recipe in my book. 3 cookies for dessert. Heart ones.
So you did them to Officer Daly?
No, I'm not doing that.
Mommy, I just want a hug. Ew.
Okay, you can have some animal cracker bones.
You won't
and
give
you
me a hug.
can- I hug eat now. Take your one. Where are you going?
I was choking.
Oh, well, it sounded like you wanted to. Eat these animal crackers right now. Finish this.
Mommy, I lost my bottle. I don't know where it is.
Baby Bird, just be quiet. It's right beside you.
I need more milky.
Now we have to put the cookies in the oven for a minute. 1 minute. Oh, look. Your monkey symbols wants to play. Oh, oh, looks like he's dancing. Hi, I'm Mr. Monkey, and I like climbing to the top of the berry
Hey,
tree.
so there's no toilet paper in your bathroom.
Toilet paper?
So I'm just going to have to use this.
No, wait a second. There was toilet paper, but I used it all to clean up a mess.
You use toilet paper to clean up a mess? Yeah, I don't think my mommy knows the difference.
It's just paper towel and toilet paper. They're not too much of a difference.
There's a huge difference.
Not a huge difference!
I'm ready, yeah. Well, this kitchen's a mess, but I found one of the iPhones.
Guys, no, that's my special phone that I had in the last season. I don't remember this being.
I'm such a good girl.
And if you want toilet paper, I have some right here.
Mommy.
2 big rolls. Here, take some.
Oh, finally. Oh, is this free? I'll give you $100 for it.
You want it because of the new thing.
Mommy, why are you cooking food?
Because
Mommy, why are you laying down? Mommy, why are you walking?
Just stop asking why!
Why would I do that?
Because you're saying it right now.
I don't know.
I'm just going to grab a bit of paper towel because I might need it.
I'm dancing on the
I
table.
have
I'm going to go watch
cookies
the
and a
game.
napkin.
I'm going to go watch the game.
The new hockey game that came out?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Yummy
Hey,
food.
yummy.
Yeah, but I better close my recipe book.
Now, I guess I better look at my list of things to do for breakfast tomorrow.
I know what you're gonna put on that.